Hi, I am Dr. Srinidhi Manikarnike, and in this video, I will give you an introduction to mBIT. Do you know that you have at least three brains in your body? The latest findings in neuroscience research show that you have three brains in your body: the head brain, the heart brain, and the gut brain. There is a possibility of more brains being discovered and confirmed in the future. You might ask, how can the heart and gut be considered as brains? Isn't the heart just a pump for pumping blood throughout the body? Isn't the gut only for digesting and absorbing food and excreting the waste? Well, the heart and the gut have been shown to have neural networks within them. These neural networks have the characteristics of a brain, and so the heart and gut are considered to be brains. The gut brain is in fact the first brain to develop in the human embryo. The heart brain is the second brain to develop, and the head brain is the last brain to develop. So, what exactly constitutes a brain? Large numbers of neurons and ganglia, including sensory neurons and motor neurons, neural cells with interneurons, neurons reentrantly interconnecting with other neurons, support cells and components such as glial cells, astrocytes, proteins, etc. Functional attributes: perceiving or assimilating information, processing information, memory storage and access, able to mediate complex reflexes via an intrinsic nervous system. That is, it does not need the head brain to direct it. It functions even in the complete absence of the head brain. A chemical warehouse of neurotransmitters. Those found in the head brain are also found in the gut and heart brains. The head brain. The head brain has about 50 to 100 billion neurons. The prime functions are cognitive perception, thinking, and making meaning. The main job of the head brain is to intellectually make sense of the world and to provide executive control. The highest expression of the head brain is creativity. The heart brain. The heart brain has 40,000 to 120,000 neurons. The prime functions are emoting, relational affect, and values. The prime functions of the heart intelligence involve salience, affection, and relational issues such as a deep sense of moral rightness as compared to rule based ethics. The highest expression of the heart brain is compassion. The gut brain. The gut brain has over 500 million neurons. It has the equivalent size and complexity like a cat's brain. The prime functions of the gut brain are mobilization, self preservation, and core identity. The gut brain is responsible at a core level for determining what will be assimilated into self and excreted from self. The gut brain maintains boundary detection and mobilization. In humans, it is expressed as motivation, gutsy courage, and a gut felt desire to take action or not. The highest expression of the gut brain is courage. Each brain looks at the same situation from different perspectives and has different ways of making decisions. Usually, people prefer to go with one brain and ignore the information provided by the other brains. Some people only follow their head, they go by pure logic and intellect. Some people only follow their heart, they go by pure emotions, what feels good to them. Some people only follow their gut, they go by pure gut instinct or intuition. What if the best way to make a decision is to use all of these three brains? You might ask, how do you do that? The answer is through mBIT. So what is mBIT? mBIT is multiple brain integration techniques. It is a specific suite of methods for working with the three brains: the head brain, the heart brain, and the gut brain. mBIT is where neuroscience meets ancient wisdom. The overall process for working with the three brains is called as mBraining. It was created by Grant Soosalu and Marvin Oka of Australia. Grant Soosalu. He is an international trainer, leadership consultant, and executive coach with extensive backgrounds in organizational change, training, and leadership development. He has advanced degrees and certifications in psychology, positive psychology, applied physics, computer engineering, and system development. He is a qualified total quality management trainer and has achieved Master Practitioner certification in the behavioral sciences of neuro-linguistic programming and advanced behavioral modeling. More recently, Grant was awarded a graduate coaching diploma in the newly emerging field of authentic happiness coaching. Marvin Oka. Marvin Oka is a highly sought after international consultant and speaker specializing in leading edge behavioral change technologies and research. He is recognized as a world leader and authority in his field. He has built an impressive track record helping organizations with strategic, systemic, and cultural change. Marvin's clients range from private enterprises to government agencies throughout the world. Are you having difficulty in making a decision? Are you having problems in your business, your relationships, your career, or another area of your life? Are you wondering whether you should go with your head, your heart, or your gut? Are you wondering whether you should use your head, listen to your gut wisdom, trust the intelligence of your heart, wrap your head around it, follow your heart, use your gut intuition, trust your gut, be true to your heart, or go with your gut response? What if you could just do them all? What causes difficulty in decision making? One brain is used in preference over the other. One brain is used for the competencies of another brain. What happens if there is conflict between these three brains? What happens when your heart passionately tells you one thing, but your gut violently disagrees? Or when your head is at odds with the messages from either your heart or gut? Have you ever found yourself fighting amongst these parts of your mind? If you have, you aren't alone. Incongruence or mismatch between the multiple brains undermines resolve, causes confusion, and ultimately leads to incongruent behaviors and outcomes. You literally sabotage your own success. So, how will mBIT help you? mBIT will help you to align all the three brains, tap into your inner wisdom, determine what each brain is telling you about the situation, resolve any conflict between these three brains, and make a wiser decision by using the information provided by these three brains. I am an internationally certified mBIT coach. To arrange an appointment for a coaching session, please contact me. Dr. Srinidhi Manikarnike, Holistic Healer and Coach, Srinidhi Holistic Healing Clinic, number 215, ground floor, Link Road, Seshadripuram, Bangalore 560020, India. Mobile 919916924638. Email drsmanikarnike@holistichealer.in. Website www.holistichealer.in. Facebook www.facebook.com/drsmanikarnike. I also provide remote consultations. For more information about mBIT, please visit www.mbraining.com or read the book mBraining, Using Your Multiple Brains to Do Cool Stuff, available as paperback on Amazon.com and as Kindle version.